Welcome everybody. I thought I'd give you a tour of my garden mid-August. Look at this giant purple zinnia. Bigger than my hand. I wanted to clip it and hold it up to my head, but I think I'm going to save that one for seeds. I'm definitely going to plant giant zinnias next year of many different colors. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Some snapdragons. Getting some new strawberries. My marigold's gone wild. Purple teepee beans. Let's see, I picked a bunch this morning and yesterday, and they're growing like crazy here. Let's see, I got a big one. I just picked them this morning. I'll show you a clip of what I harvested this morning and put it in the video. Hi, good morning everyone. I just wanted to show you what I just harvested from the garden this morning. I got 3 cukes, I got a round zucchini, 5 tomatoes, some little sun gold cherries, and this many purple teepee beans, which is my favorite bush bean. And of course when you cook them, they turn green. I picked this many yesterday. Yeah, so that's one morning harvest. Yesterday I picked more sun golds than this. I gave it to my landlord. I gave her 2 round zucchini, 2 cucumbers, and I think 3 of the tomatoes. And then that was yesterday, and then this is today. It's just one person here. I got a lot of eating to do. Here's my other zinnias. Peppers coming in. And I mean, huge. Look at this pepper. I mean, it is huge. And I have one. Oh gosh. I can't even get that. Let's see. Anyway, these peppers are mammoth. It's hard to see how big they are. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, I think like 12 or 13 peppers on that one plant. I have a cantaloupe right here starting. I don't know if it'll have time to mature, but I have a little one. All my zinnias. More pepper plants. Loaded. Loaded. Here's a view of my zinnias. Straw flowers are still doing good. Beautiful. Another pepper plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 peppers on this one. Here's my tomatoes. I picked 5 this morning that were ready, and lots and lots of tomatoes on here. Tomatoes everywhere. Sun Gold. Been snacking on these. They are delicious. Delicious. And this plant is loaded. It's hard to even see them all in there. There's so many. Another tomato plant with a bunch. Let's see. This is a jungle, my acorn squash. I don't know if I can peek you one in here. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it. It's dark. There's one. There's another one. Ouch. There's one. Cosmos. New batch of cilantro coming in. Here's my Cosmos. These yellow ones. All Cosmos. The bees love them. I have a few zinnias left in there, but it's a jungle. All kinds of buds. Cosmo buds everywhere. Blue potato bush is still hanging in there. We're in a drought, so here's some more of these Cosmos. Look down this way. My butternut squash. Let's see. We got one there. Big one there. Another little one. We got a real green one right there. Wow. That's interesting. I pulled some carrots and measured them at 7 inches the other day. I've been having so many round zucchini. Here's that's bush butternut. Let's see. We got one there. These are in 25-gallon pots. Celery's hanging in there. Oh yeah, there's some more. I don't know how they're gonna grow in these pots. There's just not gonna be room. Yeah, my carrots. I pulled quite a few and made soup. Here's my little jack pumpkins. Got a bunch down here coming in. Oh yeah, and look at over here. I guess they're good eating. I haven't tried them, but I'm gonna this year. There's another one. There's that sunflower. I have a couple of white pumpkins. There's one. There's another one. Oh my gosh. That cuke is mammoth. I just picked cukes for the last 2 days. I picked them this morning. And look at this one. It's mammoth. Mammoth. I can't. Oh, there's another one. I can't eat them all, people. It's too many. I hate to say it, but I've already been throwing round zucchini into the woods for the deer. I can't eat it all, and I just can't give it away enough. I don't know. Oh. These are my red potato pots. They're not dying back too much yet. They're getting a little bit yellow, but and like I said, we're in a drought. We have had like 0 rain in a month. So my sunflowers aren't very happy. I do have one right there. Let's see, my round zucchini is amping up to produce some more. There's my calendula. And here's some more butternut squash. I don't know what's in here. Is there anything growing? Hard to tell. It's so jungly. Look at this. I mean, I can't tell what's in there for the squash. I can't even see in there. I see a little one there. What else? Oh, I see a big one in there. And that little one. Let's see. Can you see it? Right there. There it is. Acorn.